Hey, so another day, another vehicle secured by WAC Automotive Solutions. Today is this stunning Porsche, lady's quite short, stunning Porsche been secured with the Eco Trak S5 deadlock system. So for those of you that aren't aware of this and haven't seen all my many other videos, I'm going to give you a little run through how this works on this vehicle and how it's keeping it secure. So first of all, the S5 system is a full 24/7 monitored tracking system. As well as that, it also does the immobilisation. So the car can be immobilised one of two ways. First of all, on a day-to-day, it uses a driver ID tag like this. So if this vehicle does not see this tag present, then the vehicle will not start. It will be dead, it will be lifeless, it will not move. Now, as an extra layer of security, what we can do is we can log into our phone app and we can immobilise this vehicle anywhere in the world at any time. If we immobilise the vehicle via our phone app, then even the tag won't start it. And I'm going to demonstrate that to you now. I can't show you the tags not working because obviously they're here and I'm moving them around. So the vehicle thinks they're here, therefore it'll start. So what I'll show you now is obviously I have the lovely little Porsche key. I'm going to turn it on. The ignition comes on, as you can see. I'm going to start and run this car. Okay, she's all up and running, no dramas at all. Now that's because this vehicle currently sees this tag. If it didn't, it wouldn't start. And I'm going to demonstrate that by showing you the phone app side of it. I'm just going to try and keep this relatively out of view while I do this. Okay, so I'm in the app now. This is one of the screens inside the app. Obviously, there's a lot of customer credentials that I didn't want to show on the video for obvious reasons. So I'm going to show you how this works. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enable the deadlock system. Now I'm going to press this on my phone. It says command sent. Obviously the vehicle key is here. The tag is present as we saw. And when I go to turn this on, as you can see, she's lifeless. Absolutely lifeless. So this is protecting you against relay theft. It's protecting you against physical key theft. We have the key in the vehicle. This vehicle should start. And it protects you against OBD port hijacking, of course. So as you can see, we're lifeless. We have nothing on the ignition whatsoever. I'm going to disable the deadlock. And then what's going to happen then is our car's going to come back to life because it sees the tag. Okay, so we're going to put our foot on the brake, turn the ignition on, she starts and runs. There's really nothing more that I can explain other than that. That's how smooth the operation is of this system. There's no gimmicky codes to put in, no faffing around. It just gets the job done and it does it better than anything else. So listen guys, if you've got a vehicle you want to secure and you want to do it properly, get in touch, we'll get you secured, and yeah, happy days. Thanks for watching, see you later.